Oporoma community is about 15 meters drive from Angiama waterfront. Here in Oporoma, Southern Ijaws headquarters, electorates as well as ad hoc staffs and security agencies have been arriving in their numbers in preparation for tomorrow's election.
It is always like a festive season when we enter electoral seasons in this part of the country, Bayelsa State. Of course, you could see how everybody has gathered. Those who were even away from the community have come back to the community just to cast their vote. What is going on is the movement of people from one place to the other just to locate their polling units and be ready to vote tomorrow.
Yes, my PVC is right here before me, sir. It's even in my pocket. I'm even prepared to vote because I want to exercise my franchise.
They called on the electorates to be peaceful while they elect the next governor of the state.
The election is not about guns, it's about their votes. That the only material or the only tool that INEC knows is your thumb.
I apply the spirit of sportsmanship because of politics is a game of choice and interest. Believe me, whether we do or we strive or we do anything, who will emerge will still emerge, and who will be the victor of the day will still be the victor of the day and will be the governor of the whole Bayelsa State.
Go and vote your candidate and avoid problems or troubles. If you vote your candidate, leave. If there's any kind of problem, there are securities, both army and other force members in the community. And we too, the vigilante member, are trying our best to make sure that peace should reign in this town.
Denyefa Morris, AIT News, Oporoma, South, Nigeria.